And now part 3. It has been an hour and 7 seconds. Yay. Mr. McCoy.
Yes, ma'am?
I've been filming for an hour and 20 seconds.
You've been filming for an hour.
I give you now.
My arm is hot.
Out of me.
Lock now, Mr. McCoy.
I always feel like a teacher around her. McCoy. Yes, ma'am. The square root of... No.
Mr. McCoy.
I imagine the Very Odd Parents, that one guy on there. Did you ever watch that silly show? The guy that talks like that, Arnold Schwarzenegger one.
No, the one movie I hate from Arnold is The Sixth Day.
What was that one?
I guess I was lucky I missed that one.
Where he has his phone. If you are me, who are you? I am you. If I am you, who are you? I am you. There's like 30 minutes of this.
What's next?
Hey, Arnold, you're governor.
I still have no idea how that happened.
What?
How he became a governor.
Well, it's California. California kind of marks the beat of a different drummer.
I like California. My family all lives out there.
I love California. I'm just saying, you know, the government is very unique in California.
They're all hippies over there, though, my family.
Hippies everywhere.
Especially up in Austin. You got a bunch of tree huggers in Austin.
Yeah. My uncle lives there. Yeah, my uncle lives there. He has he's a game designer.
What?
For some reason, I thought that was a firework. He was just throwing a cigarette in the street. So we're done? So I can stop filming?
You can.
Okay.
You can conclude your episode of... I felt that. I was like,
I'm just glad I'm wearing skinny jeans. So this concludes the fireworks show.
Come on.
Bye-bye.
Where'd he go? I always get like, where'd he go?